Yes.
Scott.
And Mr. Norbert.
What's up today?
Man, what a day. Just everything. Everything can go wrong, goes wrong.
One of those days too at school. You know, school would be great if it wasn't for the kids.
Kids and parents and workers and, well,
yeah, if you could just go by yourself. But you know what, though? Memorial Day is coming up pretty soon. You know,
part of it, I think it's just cabin fever. Just everybody's sick of being inside. I'm tired of being inside.
I can't wait to go camping.
Man, that'd be great.
You think? Hey, let's go camping.
Now?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you think, Scott?
I'm tired of being inside. Let's go outside.
Let's go camping.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
Okay.
Hey guys, this is really going to be great. The weather's wonderful.
Oh man, it got a little cold out here last night. Hope the guys have the coffee ready for me. I need a big cup of coffee. Norbert, you got that coffee ready yet?
Well, it may not be hardly as warm as you want it, but let's give it a try here.
You know, guys, that fire's not very good. I tried to get it going, but you know, every time I'd get a flame going, it would freeze on me. I can't get the fire going. I tell you what, though, drinking all that iced coffee that Norbert made makes me have to go to the bathroom.
Hey, Rick, don't eat the yellow snow.
A possibility we could have a porta potty here for Memorial Day campout.
I guess we can.
There's lots of things for kids to do at the campout. They can swing.
You know, one of my favorite things about the campout is when we do the sledding down the hill on the water slide. Isn't that fun?
You know what? We can water slide now.
Sure, let's do it.
Let's go water slide.
Yeah. We can do it.
Let's go water sliding.
I got a thing.
You go first.
All right, I got it. Ready? All right, this ain't gonna work, guys. We might have to wait till Memorial Campout to do this the
Water slide. One of my favorite parts of camping out is the closest to the pin competition that we have.
Yeah, man, that's a lot of fun.
Let's do that now.
All right.
All right. Sam, you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go.
What are we going to aim at, guys? Hey, Jacob, why don't you run down there and stand?
We'll see if we get it close to the goal.
Shoot
Yeah, I'll try to hit Jacob.
Yeah, we'll try to hit Jacob. All right, Sam.
Perfect ball filter.
All right, there it went.
Oh man, look at there.
It's still on the ground. I missed it.
Oh. All right, let somebody else try. Hey, yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah, man.
You ready, Jacob?
Oh! Try that again. Don't count until you hit the ball.
Oh my goodness, look at that thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Where'd it go?
Oh!
Hold on.
All right.
Hey! The closest to the pin when we're camping is great.
It's
We
great.
need to make sure we do this at our Memorial Day camp out.
All right.